sit there just listening to a song and get a designer bag. Hi, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is kind of crazy. I even forgot that I did this for a while, and then after making my subliminals boyfriend video, I was like, wait a second, I manifested something else using subliminals. And then I look at all of my bags and I'm like, oh right. Because it has become so natural for me, I didn't even notice it. But then when I think back, the time that I was listening to that exact subliminal was the time when I just bought all the expensive items in my closet. So if you guys want to know what are subliminals, what luxury goods I manifested using subliminals, and how to make subliminals work for you, stick around. I also do back to school videos and law of attraction videos, so if you're interested in that, feel free to subscribe to my channel. In psychological theory, it is supposed to affect your subconscious mind, which is taking in almost everything that is around, while our conscious mind is focused on specific things, and our conscious mind is the thoughts that we think all the time, and then our subconscious mind takes those thoughts and makes them into beliefs, which then affect our lives. If the law of attraction is about rewiring those beliefs, subliminal is the tool that you need to rewire those beliefs. Apparently, if you listen to a subliminal that has specific affirmations, it's going to get into your subconscious mind, then it's going to program your subconscious mind, which is going to affect your subconscious beliefs, which is going to affect what you attract into your life. And with that, let's move on to what I manifested using subliminals. Okay, I don't remember exactly in which order they came into my life. Why is my ear so itchy? My favorite item is, which you probably already know, my Kenzo bag. So back then I could not even buy the middle brands, not even talking about like high-end brands. Like, I think this was the first designer item I've owned. The other thing that I got that I really love are these Armani shoes. Prada sunglasses. So even though these sunglasses don't really match my face too well, like they're not really it, but the funny story of how I got these sunglasses, my money situation is not crazy where I can go and buy Gucci, Prada, Chanel. My cousin's friend got them as a gift from someone and they did not fit her, so she was like, hey, I really like you, I got these sunglasses that don't fit me, do you think they can fit your face? And I was like, I don't know. And she's like, they're Prada, and I'm like, I'm taking them. Moving on to the next item, which is the watch that is currently on my hand. It is a Michael Kors watch that I've wanted for a really long time. I was looking at the watches in one of those discount stores, and I was like, oh mom, can I buy like a Michael Kors watch? It's used, but it's like $50. Can I buy it? And my mom's like, oh, why would you buy used? We can buy a new one. And I'm like, woman, you argue with me when I want to buy a $3 yogurt in store. What the heck? We went to the store. I chose the watch. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Next item on my list is this Guess jacket. I also got a dress from Guess for prom that year. A Michael Kors costume. Like, it's like a full body costume. So welcome to the costume that I wore to every single debate tournament in humanity's existence. That my mom's friend gave to her, I think as a gift or like half price or something. Pretty much got a Michael Kors costume for free, which is insane. And the last things that I got in the span of those months was this Pandora bracelet and a Pandora ring, some limited edition Puma jacket. Crazy thing about it was that all of those items that I showed you were pretty much bought in the same 2 to 3 months, and I was like, how? And then when I thought of it, I was like, that's a goddamn subliminal. But that was the weird thing, like all of a sudden all these opportunities and all these weird sales and gifts would come into my life from nowhere, and I didn't even realize what it was, like as if it was just attracted to me. So now that I already talked about which items I manifested, let's move on to the last and third part of this video on how you guys can also manifest whatever you want with subliminals. Look who's here! The first tip that I have is that you have to listen to 1 month or more. Now, I know this sounds like a really long time, but look, you're listening to songs anyway. Pick a subliminal with a song that you like and just listen to it for 1 month. When you repeat something multiple times to your subconscious, it finally gets into your subconscious. You have to listen to 30 minutes or more each day. Next tip that I can give you guys is do not contradict whatever you're manifesting. Don't be talking that bad talk because you're directly contradicting your subliminal and making it harder for it to work. If you go onto any weight loss subliminal, you are bound to find comments that are like, me listening to this while eating french fries. Like, dude, no, if you're trying to lose weight, don't freaking like binge eat and listen to subliminal. Like, there are so many comments like that and I'm like, it's not gonna work. It's not magic. It's just like a tool to help you. It's not freaking magic. Another tip that goes along with that is pair it with something else. So pair it with action. The subliminal is just there to help your mindset and help you manifest from like your subconscious, while your actions also have to align with your inner state, you know? And the few of the last tips that I want to say are pretty much very important. So first of all, I want to tell you guys, be careful with subliminals. There are so many people on the internet that don't have the best intentions, and I really don't want anyone walking into one of those traps. And I'm also going to be coming out with a video how to make your own subliminals, because I've learned to make my own subliminals and I watched so many videos on them. And lastly, what I want to say about the affirmations in the subliminals, make sure that the affirmations are 1, short, 2, positive affirming statements, and 3, in present tense. Just like in law of attraction, you don't want to have the future tense. You want to program like you already have what you want. Additionally, you don't want to have too many affirmations in there because you want them to be repeating again and again. And with that, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like me. I hope you like my channel. Why am I shaking my head like a crazy parrot? This is insane. I'm kind of tired. This was a long day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. I'm so happy that my channel is growing. It's insane. I remember like thinking I would not even get 100 subscribers, and now it's at 100 subscribers. Bye!